In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build proposal in Pandadoc. To begin, you will create a template. In Pandadoc, go to the Template section. Look for the Create button, choose Template, and then select Blank. Starting from a blank template is useful when you want full control over your layout, wording, and sections, instead of adjusting someone else's formatting. Once your blank template opens, it is time to add your proposal text. On the right-hand sidebar, click the plus icon to open the content blocks. Find the text block, then click and drag it onto the page where you want your content to appear. Click inside the text area and type your proposal. As you write, keep the key parts clear and easy to scan, such as an overview of what you are offering, the scope of work, timelines, and any important terms. It also helps to leave a bit of spacing between sections so the document feels organized and readable. Next, you will add pricing. From that same sidebar, drag the pricing table into the document. Place it in the area where you want the costs to appear, usually after the scope or deliverables. Inside the pricing table, click Add Item to start entering your line items and costs. Be specific with item names so the client understands what they are paying for. If you have multiple services or phases, separate them into distinct items to keep the total transparent and professional. After your pricing is in place, set up the signing role. In the top right, click Add Roles. Type Client as the role name, then click Add. Roles help Pandadoc know who needs to complete which fields, and they keep your proposal ready for sending later without confusion. Finally, add a signature field. From the sidebar, drag the signature field onto the page, typically near the end of the proposal, where acceptance happens. Click the signature field, then assign the recipient as client. This ensures the signature request goes to the correct signer when you send the document. That covers everything you need to know.